Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through adding a new user to the VISTA H3 through AlarmNet. First, log into your AlarmNet account using your credentials. Once logged in, select and load the account you want to manage. This will take you to the account settings page. Next, navigate to the user sections to view the list of enrolled users. Once the user screen loads, you'll see a list of users currently programmed into the system and the number of users per partition. To add a new user, click the New User button located at the top right of the screen. Next, enter the 4-digit user code in the User Code section for the new user. This will serve as their personal code for the system. Now give the user a name by typing it into the username field. After entering the username, grant access to other partitions by setting the authority level for each partition as needed. If the user requires access to a Z-Wave door lock, make sure to check the corresponding box to grant that permission. Once you finish setting up the new user, click Save to add them to the system. Or, if you want to add another user, click Save and add another to repeat the process. And that's it! You've successfully added a new user to your VISTA H3.